Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. A little bit more of Obsidian Flames today, and then we will be getting into something new tomorrow. You'll just have to wait and see what it is. Alright. Alright, I'm going to go water energy on this one.
I'm going to go fire. Come on, Charizard. Let there be another Charizard.
Oh, this one. Fighting. Remember, guys, please like and subscribe. We really want to grow this channel. We want to hit, 1K as soon as possible, please. What are we going to get? Oh, that one's cool.
Oh, him again.
I know.
There's lots of him, isn't there?
I know. I'm starting to dislike this card. Alright, guys. We'll see you on tomorrow's video. Bye.